Hey girlies, welcome back to Self-Care Hacks. Today, we're talking about something everyone cares about, how to instantly look more attractive without changing your face, your clothes, or your personality. Yup, we're talking about hairstyles that make you rocks more attractive. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hairstyle suits you best and how to use them to level up your entire look. So hit that like button and let's get started. Tulip claw clip hairstyle. Bow hairstyle. Low ponytail. Braid hairband. One side braid. Low aesthetic bun. Half high ponytail. Cap hairstyle. Short hair side braid. Neat one side up hairstyle. One side low ponytail. Both side need up hairstyle. Korean folded bun. Korean high bun. Double braid in one. Both side roll open hairstyle. Full up braid hairstyle. High claw clip hairstyle. Stylish bun with claw clip. High ponytail. Korean princess hairstyle. Cute twin buns. Twin low ponytail. Twin braids hairstyle. Cute open hairstyle. Cute one-side braid hairstyle. So there you have it. Hairstyles that can literally make you look 10x more attractive. But remember, confidence, good grooming, and a smile always beat any haircut tight. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below telling me which style you're trying next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more style and self-improvement videos every week.